Accelerated ideas.
And the wait is finally over. We have OnePlus 6 in the box, so let's get started. Okay, so we have the box in front of us. Let's open up the knife and see what we have inside. Okay, a brown box, looks pretty neat. And this is OnePlus 6. So actually I ordered a tempered screen along with the OnePlus 6. So I guess this is the tempered screen here. And this must be the OnePlus 6. What else we have in the box? Okay, so not important. Let's keep it aside. Okay, so let's open the box first. So the box says OnePlus 6 on this side, the speed you need, and some details at the bottom, IMEI number, model number, and Qualcomm Snapdragon. Get it stuck, and here we go. Let the gravity work. And here it is, OnePlus 6 mirror black. So as you can see, this is really shiny looking mirror black version here. And let's keep it aside and let's get into the boxing. What else we have got in the box? We have got some usual contents here. We've got dash charging USB Type-C cable. We have got dash charger, and let's look inside the box we have here. We have got a case. That's pretty nice. We have got SIM ejecting tool and some documents down here. So let's keep it aside and look at the phone itself. So it feels pretty comfortable in the hand, and as you can see, it's all shiny black version, mirror black version, and I'm not really sure if you can see, but it has a slight accent that reflects, makes a little S at the background. Let me peel this off for you, and also remove this tiny sticker. So it looks pretty pristine, and then it looks pretty beautiful on the back. It looks like one single piece constructed very well. So let's go ahead and see if it has got some juice in it. Starts booting up, and here we are. As you can see, it has a pretty big screen, 6.28 inches to be precise, and I don't mind the notch. It looks pretty good. It has a very tiny chin, and let's look at the back. That looks pretty neat, and the back here has got OnePlus logo, fingerprint scanner, 2 16 and 20 megapixel camera, and designed by a OnePlus logo at the bottom. So that concludes our unboxing of this phone, and we'll continue with more videos. Bye bye.